this tutorial we'll be learning how to combine PDFs. So the first thing to do is to search for google.com, right? So google.com. So after which, the internet is very slow while making this tutorial. So you search for combine PDFs. Combine PDF. So when you click on this, it gives you a number of sites, right? So you click on this first one, combine PDF online PDF combiner, right? So once it does that, it is currently loading. Once it does that, you come here and see upload files. So you click on upload files. Click on upload files, right? So it takes you to your file explorer, right? So you select the PDF files that you want to combine, really. So you select them. Okay. Some seconds, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So we want to select my doc on FBA 231, right? So then click on open. So it goes back to the site. You can see, okay, one of the files is giving an error. Let's select another. I think one of the files is corrupted. Let's select another file. Okay, let's look for another PDF file. Okay, let's select my work. So this will also take some. So the two documents are currently uploading on the site, right? So when the documents are done uploading, there's another icon here that speaks to another field here that speaks to combine. So the first one has uploaded, the second one is uploading. We have 19%. We have about 87% to go, right? So that's pretty fast. So when the both of them are done uploading, all you need to do is to come here and click on combine. So and then it provides you with a singular document that contains both the first document and the second document. You've been able to learn something. So once that happens, once you combine, it downloads automatically. Thank you all for staying tuned. Let's wait for the next.